So it's been a little bit over a month since I installed my starter locks, and I'm really loving being able to roll out of bed, shower, refresh my hair, and start my day. Like, seriously. In addition to showing you all how I refresh my hair, I'm also going to show you guys how I plan to retwist, what my new regimen is going to look like, because it is going to be a little bit different from my daughter's. So this is the amount of new growth I usually have in a 1 month time frame when installing these mini twists that will eventually lock. I did braid my hair at the root and twist it down my length. And if you're curious about how I sleep at night, all I do is put on my stretched satin lined hat or my bonnet. Now, on our last live, I did receive some solid advice about retwisting.
Please be careful with your new locks. They are very liberating, but after 17 years, I've developed traction alopecia. In hindsight, I would have twisted less, not as tight, and I would have found the most moisturizing products to use.
Beautiful people, trust and know that I'm going to have the same mindset with lock hair that I had with loose natural hair, and that is style should not be uncomfortable. So I went on Amazon and actually found this really cool tool. This tool is called a crochet interlock hook, and all you do is insert your hair within the opening and then insert the hook underneath the base of your twist. Then pull the hook through. Depending on the amount of new growth you have, you may decide to do a second or third interlock or pass through your hair. Yet for me, 2 passes is just enough. Now I just have to decide whether I should retwist before my wash day or should I retwist after my wash day. So here is my thought process. If I retwist before my wash day, I will be able to use my energy wisely. I don't know about you guys, but I just know once I retwist the back of this head and my arms are going to be up for a minute, like burnout is coming shortly after. Now, I can't speak for anybody else, but that's a workout for me, okay? Now, on the other hand, if I wash my hair first and then retwist afterwards, I will have more access to my scalp. I'll be able to lift up, that mini twist and kind of massage my scalp underneath and, of course, rinse well. Compared to if I retwist first, I'm really not getting that, all access pass to my actual scalp. Truly, what I'm going to end up doing is just retwisting one half of my head and then completing my wash day, and then after my wash day I'll retwist the other half of my head just to see which one I prefer. But honestly guys, if you know anything about me, I am really big on using your energy wisely when it comes to natural hair. So we'll see. Okay, so this is my hair refreshed, and this is truly all I do. Like before I walk out the house, I put a little bit leave-in conditioner on it, and then I spray my hair again with water after I put on the leave-in conditioner. And every other day I just spray my hair with water just to refresh the leave-in conditioner, because what I don't want to do is, cause buildup. In regards to like how my regimen is going to look going forward, I'm definitely going to be shampooing and deep conditioning like every wash day, okay? I believe in that. I don't care if your hair is locked or not. The only difference is I am not going to be using thick products. So I have to say goodbye to Curlsmith. I am only going to be using products that are like really loose in texture and I feel that rinse easily out of my hair going forward. And this is how like I walk out the door, you guys. Like that is it. It takes me about 10 minutes to like refresh my hair, and probably less than that. Most of that 10 minutes is spent with me just like pressing the water in my hair, making sure that I'm fully covered in the back. But this is my look going forward and I like it. I feel like as it get fuller, it's going to get more beautiful. As it get frizzier, it's going to be like more of my style, because I'll be honest with you guys, I will miss my loose like big hair. I love big hair on me. I just do. But I'm not going to miss detangling. Nope. I ain't going to miss that at all. However, if I can give you some solid advice, if you are that queen or king that is interested in moving forward with locking your hair, I personally believe, and this is just me, I personally believe that you should get your loose natural hair strong and healthy first. I have personally seen damaged hair get locked. And if you truly want to retain your length, not just avoid doing your hair, but retain your length, you definitely want to get your loose natural hair healthy first and heal any scalp issues that you currently have. And in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how I did that for myself.